Yo, what's up everybody? It's Koerri and I'm back with another awesome video for you guys. Today, we have a surprise. It is the first loot crate of the year. I definitely forgot that I had a loot crate subscription. Not that I forgot I had a subscription, but I forgot that it was coming. It's the first one of the year. I'm not even sure what the theme is. I actually have been just haven't been checking up on it. It's really late right now, if you guys can't tell. So if I'm yawning and stuff throughout the video, just bear with me. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, so we got the box open, and I'm seeing that it says Invasion on there. So that's looking like some kind of Space Invaders. So this must be some sort of Space Invasion theme. First thing we have is a t-shirt. And this is yeah, that's a t-shirt. I almost thought it was a women's shirt. And I was like, what? The sleeves? But we have an X-Files. An X-Files t-shirt. They're bringing back the X-Files. You guys like X-Files? I think it's decent. I haven't seen a lot of it, but I definitely think conspiracies and things like that are cool. So it'd be kind of cool to see what they come up with. Never want to encounter aliens in real life, but it's cool to, like, you know, hear about them or whatever. And always gotta love new swag. So X-Files t-shirt. Alright, next we have this plushie. It's a kid robot alien plushie. Yeah, it's a kid robot alien plushie, so that's cool. So yeah, cool. Alien kid robot, funny plushie. Alright, next we have a Space Invaders mini alien vinyl figure. Looks like there's a werewolf on the back. There's that. Pew, 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 pew. So here's that. Those Space Invaders. It smells like, oh, it doesn't smell too good. It looks cool though. That can go. I think put it up there, huh? Is that upside down? Is that the right way? Is that better? Alright. Yeah. Alright, next up we have more X-Files. It's a flashlight, LED flashlight. Comes with batteries. Okay, that's why there's a battery. I was like, why is there batteries in here? So we have some batteries for the flashlight. It's water resistant, anti-shock switch. Batteries included, packaged separately. 20th Century Fox. Next up we have a yellow rubber band. Yeah, I don't know what this is for. Let's put that back. It might be significant. I have a False in Paradise Special Flight Multi-Pass. Includes plastic card sleeve. It says winner. This is Fifth Element or something. Yeah, the Fifth Element. Winner. So this is just like, what is this, a lanyard? Ah! Staples. Yeah, okay, so this is a lanyard. So you can put, there's a sleeve. You can put a card in there. And then just, okay, so this comes out. My fake credentials. That comes out. You put your own ID in there, right around your neck. snazzy lanyard, futuristic, for the singularity of whoever is going to control the cashless society. Just wear that around my neck. Oh, is my head too big? Cool. Futuristic lanyard. So we have the Lootcrate pin, January 2016. Invasion was the thing, like I assumed. My investigative skills. And this is cool. The pins, looks like they spent a little bit more dough on the pins. Definitely not the same. It's a nice, it's a nice pin. Just gonna have to put on the jean jacket as well. It's like an alien with a loot crate box. Next, there's this envelope here. Invasion of the mini prince. What's this? War of the Worlds. The day the earth stood still. Cool. These are cool little mini prints for the wall. The cool story about War of the Worlds, Orson Welles, is from Kenosha, where I live and I'm from. Fun fact, War of the Worlds. So that's like Lootcrate. We're connected. Thanks, bud. Thanks. And last but not least, we have this month's Lootcrate magazine. The theme is Invasion, How to Survive an Alien Invasion. X-Files Quick Start Guide Q&A with January's t-shirt designer. Not saying anything about why there's this giant rubber band in here. But hey, maybe I'll figure it out later. That wraps up this month's Loot Crate. It's Invasion Crate. Maybe when I put this box together, we'll figure out what this game is or whatever. But what did you guys think about this month's Loot Crate? Have you tried Loot Crate before? Let me know. If you have questions, throw them down in the comments below. But other than that, I'm just gonna start putting some of this stuff away. It's super late. I got a bunch of videos to edit still. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And until then, I'm Koerri, and I'm out. Peace.